In this video, we're doing some more zone cleaning in the kitchen. So if you're interested in seeing what I'm doing, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello friends, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me. If it's your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Here I share how to make decorating and home organization a bit easier on the budget. If you like this kind of content, I would love for you to subscribe and become part of the family. And to my creative family, I want to thank you for the continuing support. Now let's jump into this video. All right, now what I'm doing, I'm still in the zone cleaning in my kitchen, and this time I'm tackling the top part of the refrigerator. Yes, it's past due and it needs to be cleaned, and I am going to tackle all of this confusion that you see in front of you, doors included. Now I did purchase some new liner from Amazon. I purchased one roll when I should have purchased two. So you'll see what I mean during the video. So I'm going to get to it, cleaning out all these drawers and everything. So first things first is to empty the refrigerator. All right, now it's all emptied. Everything is on the counters all over the kitchen, everywhere, literally. Now it's time for me to wipe down the refrigerator. Now I'm using a multi-purpose cleaner, a natural multi-purpose cleaner. So I will put that on the screen to show you what I'm using. All right, now it's all crisp and clean, and everything that needed to be thrown out has been thrown out, and everything that I want to keep is still here. And I think it looks a lot better, a lot cleaner with the clear shelf liners in there, because it makes the refrigerator look a little brighter to me. Let me know what you think about my arrangement or cleaning out my refrigerator. Let me know down below. I would love to read your comments. This was a journey, but I'm glad I took it on. If you want to keep watching more, check out these videos I have listed here in the end screen. And you be blessed.